Hello. So in this video, we will see how to create and define a calendar. To create a calendar, first of all, you have to start a new project. I will go to new project. Here, I have taken a blank project. So as you are taking blank project, first of all, you have to save it. You can save that name like I'm saving it with project calendar name so that it will be easier for me. Later, so I have saved it with project calendar name. After saving, you have to create calendar. To create calendar, you have to go to project tab. Here is change working time. Click on, click on change working time option. As you click there, three calendars will open in front of you. As you check in the drop down, four calendars, as we saw in the previous video, three types: standard, then 24 hours and night shift. And the calendars will appear in front of you. As you can see here, if I take 24 hours calendar, here you can see 0 to 0 from 12 o'clock in the night. And then you can see the calendar. As you go to night shift, you can see different types of shifts from 12 to 3 o'clock, from 4 to 8 o'clock, and then shift from 11 p.m. to 12. So you get different shifts calendar here. And next is standard calendar, which has 8 to 12 and 1 to 5, which is default daytime calendar. And generally most of the company's calendar also will be followed by this. In many projects, different types of work are done. Like construction companies, their calendars will be different. If there is an IT company or marketing company, their calendars will be different. If there is a trading company, their calendars for the project will be different. Or if there is government company, their calendars will be different. I have my week date and it shows me Sunday. So I have to change it and I will change it to Monday, which will make it easier for me. So I have to go to option to change, and in schedule week starts on Monday. So I have done it on Monday. Now you can see it as Monday, Tuesday, and you can see here working, non-working days. For that you have to give a legend. How can you show it in the calendar? Like here, Saturday and Sunday are non-working, and after that there is an exception day which has specific weekend. So you have to assign it. For that you can give an exception day. After that, next comes non-default work week. There is few days which are non-default work day, but you have to keep it working. So for that you have to add non-default work week. You can adjust the timing according to you. What I have to do now is that these are default calendars, but I have to make my own calendar in this. So for that I have to click on create new calendar option. Click on option and you will get create new base calendar. We have to make a copy of this. We don't have to make changes in the first one. We have to add a new one in the second one. So here I will select make a copy option, and after making a copy select option, here I will select any shift wise or whatever I want. So first of all, we will make a standard calendar. We will define the work time of the work. So to define the work time, I will give it the name 8 hours calendar, or we will take the working calendar of 9 hours. As I create it, make a copy, and you can also take the default template of the template. I have taken 9 hours calendar and I am simply clicking OK. Now you can see that it is same. Nothing had changed. Now what we have to do is update the details according to our needs. I have taken 9 hours calendar. Now you will see two options here. One is exceptions and the other is work weeks. You can call it exemption. So what we have to do is which day we have to keep as holiday and which day we have to keep as working. So from here what you can do is select it. You will see work week means which days you have to keep as work. So you have to update it. Now here by default what is, you will find that every day details are updated. I have to delete this, so all the details are updated here, but I have to change work weeks. I don't want holiday on Saturday. My company's holiday is on Friday. So what I have to do is go to details. Here you can define how you have to change it. Options, press Ctrl, Friday. Okay. Set day. Use project default times for these days. Means for these days I have to use project default times, or if I have changed its default time, then you can change it from here. Also that I have working time from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I have 9 hours time. So I have 8 to 12 hours and from 1 to 5. So this is time period of 5 hours. Add it in it. This is 8 hours long. So I will set the time period from 8 to 6 and I will use 1 hour break in between. So from here I will have 8 to 12 working hour, 1 hour lunch break and 1 to 5 hours. So this is the 24 hours calendar. So from 13 to 6 I will give the time period from 6. So you can customize as per your choice. You can make 8 hours calendar or 10 hours calendar or 6 hours calendar. You can design it according to your needs. So what I did was I made these working days. I'm going to select all days and then add it to the details. And as my Friday was off, so I have to set days to non-working time, means in weekly. This will be my non-working time. So I am selecting it. So you can see here 7th July is my non-working. You can compare it with other work dates and you will get your non-working day set. So you can set your non-working day like this, and you can do something like you have to keep your work time different on specific days, means Monday to Thursday and Saturday my work time is same, but on Sunday my work time is half day, or I have to change my work timings. So in this you can add one more. You can add details of your work week, or you can go to details and select the day from here. My working days will be from Sunday 8 to 12. So you can delete the second row. So you will get working days from Sunday 8 to 12, and you have to define it until its project going on, and you have to set the working times. So you can define start date and end date. This is weekly. Next is what days you have to give exemption, or what days you have to decide holidays. So you have to update that in the calendar. For that you have to suppose there is specific day, or some like most of the companies second Saturday or second Friday or second and fourth Saturday are holidays. If you want to apply this in your work calendar, then you can do it easily. For that you simply have to come here. You will see that in exception you have options. So click on details. Here you have to define what non-working days are, or specific working details for that day. So you can set that too. Like if you want to define non-working days, suppose I want to do daily basis or weekly, where my working time will be different or will be changed, or in month, like I was telling you, there is a specific date on 10th of month or 30th of month you will be on leave, or on the day of month end you will be on leave. So according to that you can set it that 10th of every month or 10th of every 3 month will be holiday. So here you can do 3 here and 10 here. So every month 10th course will show you holidays in your calendar, or work exemption will show you. So what you have to do here, set it like here 10th of every July is my non-working day. But if I check 2 months, 10th of August, 10th of September, it's working here. It's holiday on 10th July. August and September will be free, but October 10th will be working. Exception. If you check next month, it is again on 3rd month on 10th January. It is showing non-working day. So by default, you can set it after 2 or 3 months. You have to keep a specific date. You can do it, or if you are doing it on daily basis, then after 7 days you need a day off, or after every 6 days you need non-working day, or after every 5 days you need non-working day. You have fixed weekend, but you don't have to add a fixed weekend. But after every 10 days of the month you need a day off, or you have to add non-working day. So for that what you can do here, I have added 10 days, and I will click OK again. So here you can see what happened here. See, it is 8th of August, then 18th of August, then 28th of August. So in this way you can add your non-working day or exceptions day in it. We have seen this day wise, weekly or monthly. As I told you that this is month wise. We have seen every fixed date. But like most of the government offices or some private offices, Saturday is Sunday or Saturday is off, like second Saturday or third Saturday. So if you want to define it in that, so what you can do here, you have to do it on second day, or you can come to the option below second, third, fourth and last Saturday. You have to take a leave. So I'm doing second Saturday, and every month I need a leave on second Saturday, or you can give it in 1 month or not. So you can prepare it accordingly. What I have done here, I have to show holidays on second Saturday. So I'm adding here to do from this month or next month. So you can also define that here, and after that you can also pick the occurrence or end date directly from here, and you can also update here, and you can also see here that you have this plan for 8 months or 10 months or till your project is going on. You have to keep it. So if you apply it and do it as you wish, then it will be applied here.